Can you hear me? Adi. EJ. Is it too loud? Not too loud? So this is not that cheerful chart, yeah? In Alicante, okay. Man, it must be hot there. I mean, it's hot in Finland, not in Alicante. I bet it's super warm there, I bet. What the fuck is that? From Anglo-Saxon. Yeah, I mean, I'm not the Anglo-Saxon, but even for me it's hot. Yeah, would be interesting next week. We see how Nasdaq closes this little candle there. Because I think we'll get some dumping action. I mean, that's local, but that's from the beginning of the move. We had like 3 red months, 1 red month. Trying to see really, except from the bear shit here. Did not ever had more than 3 red or black months. 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Well, that's half a year, but that's a bit of a stretch. When this was a COVID. No, this was 2018 or 19. That was the calf. 2 months, 1 month, 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 2 months, 1 month, 3 months, 1 month. Yeah, I'm not liking the monthly candle at all. You're buggy Jay, where you went? Why you didn't ask permission? I'm joking. Yeah, you didn't miss anything. We're just starting. So basically, yeah, I'm looking the monthly, like I was just checking how many months of Dambathon we can get. But it looks like, I mean, this was, well, not that bearish, but it was 1 good month. But when you start getting this kind of action here, you know that the misses, I mean, I'm not calling bear markets, but you will get some pullback. August will be red. Was it this August also? Ah, this was August also. Oh boy. Yeah, and also you see like the expansion is kind of small. 40% pump. 26% pump. 20% and closing 7. Not even 17. Yeah, if really we want to continue up, which I'm just imagining we'll get something like this. I'm imagining we'll get something like this. We can pipe dreaming as much as we like. Damn that for 4 hours. That was the previous month. That was the previous month. Previous. These 4 hours are, I don't know. The 4 hour wants to make a liar out of me, so let's watch it. But I really don't like this. Watch it. And that was a monthly. Reviews high. So since we actually see we're respecting various elements. Since we take the monthly high and we are closing back inside, we actually broke the low here. If we're gonna play a market maker sell model, we'll be coming here. So what I was saying in our Discord is that practically if the monthly will be bearish, we want to grab a swing short like this. Grab 1, 2, and then take the high, broke the low. Yep. Yes, I'm able to lower the music. Is it better now? DJ is better now? Okay. So, were you able to hear me or or no? I'm okay, your voice and music background, yes. Cool, always here. Okay. Okay, that's good. Yeah, we are in an uptrend, so I'm kind of don't like to short this, but this is from a playbook point of view. That's what you will get. It will be like this, fake out. Well, it looks like it, but it's because you have to retrace to the premium here. See, this is a daily range now. This is your monthly range. This is your daily range. That's your low, that's your local high, yes? So, after you've taken this, you see, you claim this as order block. But we kinda, this is a 4 hour, let me get out of the way. So you're gonna come into premium if we're gonna short. you want it to come into premium. And what is in premium? This price action. That fair value gap there. Actually, and this is what I was telling you yesterday. Actually, if we put it back as it was to this one, this was this equal highs, and it feels to me that we're gonna see them getting smoked today. You see, we're taking sell side, and then I mean, of course I can be wrong, you know, there is a day still in this candle to confirm it like this. But after we hit this, usually you will see it every time. You see, you hit a high, there is always a retracement. The same way when you hit a low, that's why you get this. Why you get this pullback. You hit a low, you pull back. You hit another low here, you pull back. So on the, since that's a daily low though, see on the 1 hour, this is like a market maker buy model, but yeah, I think asking it to come in here, I think is kind of a stretch, but it can do whatever, really. But daily I think we're gonna come quite down. 17k. Are 2000 drops possible with Nasdaq? Like, let's see. Yeah. Last year, August to October. Might be coincidence that this will be August, the bearish candle. Isn't it? Might be coincidence. And this is exactly $2,000 drop. $2,000 drops. So somewhere here we want to see a reversal, and then what I'm suspecting is that today we go up. Today we're gonna go up. I mean, home sales, who cares about this? But tomorrow, yeah, this is for Europe, but the USD part. Flash, PMI, new home sales, I think that's pretty red day. So I think tomorrow we will see the reversal somewhere here. I mean, think of it also. We have a bearish week, yes. You want to, this is our new week, yes. What is the opening price? Here. On the weekly. So you want to create now the week of the weekly candle, yes, before the expansion. This I remember happened like on Thursday to Friday. So it was a 2-day drop for this candle. So why this cannot be the one that brings us in this area, somewhere here. So basically coming here and then gets a bit tan from Alicante and drops. So I would be looking for longs today. Ah, I'm trying to delete the candle, see what I'm doing. Trying to delete the price actually. So if we're in a buy market, market maker buy model, clear targets are here. I don't know, we might reach them. I mean, we had quite a run yesterday. What was this? 1%. And today seems to be in the same mood. Why? Well, there is buy stop here. This is the daily bearish fair value gap here. Let's see what we did with the sessions. By the way, I will post a video later and I will show you a clip. It's from the morning session. I think that's the one. Yes. I know you will love it, DJ. You will love this one. Random X. We hit PP on this one. You see the random X there? I know you will love it. So Sunday open. So this is basically our weekly open. That's the beginning of our weekly candle. Make it purple. You, not you. Get a video. I will post it in our group, but basically on YouTube because it's too big. I cannot post it into Discord. I will make it on YouTube, short, fast one with the random X. And so we have our target here, longs today. What is my sessions? Yeah, it's a copy because I touch it a bit. Put my own touches on it. Weird, huh? London, the low of the day. It's not like we are expecting we go up. So it retraces. Maybe somewhere here I will try to catch a low. But mine yesterday was nuts. It was non-stop up. So the discount part is here. There is an inversion there also. Closer to midnight is perfect. So what is okay, I was just thinking why is too active today? Well, it's half hour before the New York Open, so that makes sense. More volume comes in Yeah, so Nasdaq probably something within these. Yeah, I mean, it makes sense. Hit here, maybe somewhere into the premium. Now the funny part, I think is here. We took Tokyo, right? This is New York PM session, but we took Asia. We took Asia, London low of the day. I will not fight longs today. I will join them. Yeah. But somewhere within this, with this area, I want to see, you know, maybe sweep on the news and then just start our gravity. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. Tokyo is gone. Let me zoom a bit more. Tokyo has been taking both sides. This was day open. I don't even know if that home sale thing is what makes this price now. What time was it? $5 o'clock, so in 1.5 hours. Yeah, I don't think so. But now I want you to compare this. This is S&P. This is a daily fair value gap. This was a daily low on Nasdaq. So practically S&P didn't break market structure. And if you start to compare those, actually I can do this. Boom. So if you see, and let me see the monthly here also. Yeah, monthly is way healthier than Nasdaq. Way healthier. So it might be that just there are more shorts now building on Nasdaq or something like that. See, this is the monthly high, finding support still. We held the internal liquidity, so well, the no-brainer target is external. So I'm expecting to see the move here. But Nasdaq looks weak. And this is structurally they are same. I mean, we get the smart money reversal here. This like this. How is Nasdaq? 1 hour. Pretty much same. Pretty much same. So we took the highs. Well, let's don't say that we took. I mean, we took these local ones. We're just sweeping the other ones. I mean, look at this. If it reverses, I would be a bit pissed off because I didn't take the trade. Because that's an area I wanted to basically long it. Maybe with not 66 points stop loss, but maybe something like this. But you know, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just drawing here. I'm a painter. Let's see, we will catch S&P at least. Yeah, man, see? This is what I'm doing now. EJ is what I do every day. Andy has been in all my streams, I think. He has seen me doing this over and over and over again. I mean, how much is this? 55. This is like a 300 move. 3 handles. $83 ticks. So I use market cipher, but now this is how I use it. See, I have my thesis, and then I'm coming here, and then I look, okay, where we are with the strategy. I think we are rejecting from it, not even close. So we have our finale. Let's put this one here. Okay, it's coming up. I mean, it's -5 is when you will start looking for longs. Your 4 hour. This 4 hour is what scares more shorts. And I showed you earlier all this leg, okay, all these monthly candles. I can show you. I've done this. It's scary shorting that 4 hour. Beginning of the month, okay? Oh, like look now what happens. End of the month, usually you get you see very close to end of the month, and now we are very close to the end of the month, isn't it? It's so funny, like happens. This was like what, 22nd of April basically. This was kind of flat. It was mid of the March, 21st of February. Do you see? It's very, it comes either late month, the late part of the month, or like right in the beginning. So now watching this breaking up now and actually crossing zero. It's random, man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. These red X's, also they are random. So you need a 5 minute. Let's see the 5 minute. I think this gonna send us once it breaks. Let's see how it does, basically. But do you see how everything comes? It might just jiggle here, or I don't know, maybe it comes a bit lower, but that's the area I was interested. You want to see like your 5 minute breaking. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna do like this. But my upside targets are these. And now it's like I don't know. Now notice another detail. S&P took the high from last night. Nasdaq not. Do you notice it? Yeah, if you're gonna take that long there on Nasdaq, I would at least see this, but still holding on top of it, because if you, yeah, I mean, if you come this low, I think you are going lower before you go higher, if it makes sense. I think you want this area to be still holding. That's my, this part. It can come until here, like, and leave this as the low still. But I will wait the 5 minutes. NES. Let's see. Let's put it there. Actually, so I have the SMT, is a different chart, but it's pretty much the same chart. The only difference is that here we are holding better, and actually we are stronger. You see, we hit the high. So let's see. My eyes do the 50% by themselves now. And the daily. See, we're actually testing this. This is very interesting. Look, in both cases, market cipher B. I mean, in both, it shows that it's gonna cross back up. But I will favor longs on. Yes, it looks way stronger. And wait a second, I want the midpoint of this random order block. That looks correct. Oh, we took previous day high. Well, still for any short, especially on ES, I would look this area, which based on the order flow, we should go higher on ES. But on EQ, we have to go lower. So we swept previous day high. So that was the high there. Yeah, I mean, it's a D15 short from there, but the throw liquidity is still here. My thing that with the New York Open, this will start having some, blood flow inside it. Be alive. Then we can just get the party going. I mean, yesterday was insane. It's so funny that they respect this area. Más esperando, It was the order block. So I will tell you all of the button. The gold treats me good and bad at the same time. So it seems that we hold this. This is the crossover everything. Yeah, I mean, monthly looks bare. Monthly, this is super bearish for me. This thing here is very bearish for me. Now I was saying in the beginning, it's also random that this is August, and then next month that we will get the pool. Probably will, if we extrapolate this one, we're gonna come like maybe something like this. Come to the order block, maybe. But it's so random that this is, August. When does this happen? Well, it will take the week it actually came down to it. And that actually hit the breaker here. Yeah, Doji. Doji is something else, man. Let me put that. Basically what this did here, it swept the high and closed below the range. This has a nickname, it's called turtle soup. And usually on a bullish trend, when you have a bullish trend that pulls in the 50% of the range, but this is like that's like a monthly market maker model, but it's a daily market maker model. But like this is our monthly OB. And its midpoint is here. So let me delete this nightmare. So if we're gonna stay bullish, even though we're gonna be in a sell program for some, probably 1 or 2 months, maybe. Okay. These areas are what you want to get the reversal. So maybe until 18,200 I'll be looking for shorts from there, because practically there is nothing saying. Look at this, man, it's just trigger. We are on this wagon now. We have to ride the bus together. Until whatever, I don't know. I would be super very definitely like this. But it goes up, I go with it. Until it proves wrong. Let's see that 15 minutes. Does it hold? Mysterious powers interfere here. I delete something. Do you see the mysterious powers interfere? Yeah, well, I better open my clapper. Quickly. $8.50 macro is gonna start now in 5 minutes.
Order filled.
How many windows do I have? In case it takes off without me. I put one lot. So the golds. You are interested for gold, Andy? And I still hope it comes down. But it seems it holds here. And you see that's your weekly open, traded below. Yeah. See what we do below the open. Yeah, man. I think we're gonna go again. Problem I have with gold is whatever lot size you put on it still is I don't know. If it comes here, I would like it more for a long. Let me do an eye check again, 1 second. Ah, it's not in there. Yeah. You know, even a small wick, like, look. I will fill my heart with joy. see, this is just starting. Low of the day, probably. And this is the continuation. You see, this is like, obviously the X's there are random. Everything is random on these charts. I'm gonna put maybe a limit order here. Do you get this one? Let's go to 1 hour. Obvious target, see equal highs. Lots of liquidity here. Thank you. Put a long. Put a long on IQ. Look at 5. Look at 5. Didn't we just said it will? I took a long on it, Andy. I'm not missing out. I opened tops the brakes and I put a long. But you see what we saw? What did we say about the 5-minute wave? And that will probably make this kind of usually my longs are here. The thing that it's kind of like I'm prophesizing that this will break. Sometimes it gets me stopped and it's fine, I can take the re-entry on the other. I should have taken it on my other account, pass it through. Anyway. I'm pretty sure EJ has a trade on also. Told you. Are we interested in gold or should we monitor? Thank you. Let's see if we can bring it until here. So what we want it to come here and shoot up. look to the other account.
Order filled.
You see how the wave breaks up? Head and shoulder. Which time frame? Minutes is nice. It broke 60. That's paper money, so let's see. Ah, you mean this one here? You see the meme I posted today? About head and shoulders. If it shoots TP, I'm passing another account. Push, 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 push. I hate this pen tool. Bum, 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 bum. Nine o'clock is when you will see a lot of volatility. Let's see if they're serious. Look how it will behave here on the white line. So now we have a bullish fair value gap here. Let's make it something else. It's on the macro open time. I'm thinking I should add another contract. Nah. Push, 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 push. At all games. Now it's clear buy side here. You see the flow of money. Yeah, that's great, man. Actually, let me see the other account. Yeah, 350.
Order filled.
I close one. Yeah, I'm holding. I wanted to rate these highs here. When it takes these highs, I will post. I have another account post. Not bad. By the way, Andy, on my funded account, I do micros because if I, sometimes you get stopped out is less damage, and when I get trades like this, I add more contracts. For some building buffer with it, so I don't want to go YOLO on it. So 27 minutes for the market to open. Yeah, I'm on my companies, I'm with minis. I bet you if I close the trade now on like 100 something profit, it will shoot. And it holds. Let's see. So slow. Post it in the Discord. I want to check it out. What is an LLC? Come on. Here we go. Give it to me. Come on. Push. Did it touch it and didn't close? Yes, going to anchor. Anchor is good. Yeah, it hit it and we never got filled.
Order filled.
I close it. It needs 100 now. Oh, it goes back. Huh. What did we say? Limited liability company. Ah, no, I should. I think so. You can't TP on the close over. Yeah, I mean I closed my combine like $100 shy because the weekend closed inside. I was like, okay, I don't want you to retrace. I close and it should. It's okay. But usually this is how I trade. Now you know from the stream. Yeah, this is what I didn't want to have. So when I saw this candle, I said, okay, we expect it to come there, but we don't know when. Yeah. So I think we did already 1 hour here. we took our trade also. So I'm gonna go prepare for the open and see you guys maybe on Thursday. No, definitely Thursday. Magic, EJ. Magic on S&P. I'm gonna take a long on S&P soon. Make $100 in closing. Yeah, man. Trade carefully. You see, it is if you have levels that you want to see something from it. But you saw with market cipher we were expecting that 5 minute. And then we saw it happen, the 5 minute. You see, we expected to do that, it did it on our key point. This is what I was saying the other day. But
Evaluate.
anyway, guys, thank you very much. EJ, think positive, man. You already finished for the day. You just have to drive. You don't have to care about the charts. One trade a day sends the 9-5 away. That's what I'm saying to myself. One trade a day sends the 9-5 away. Yep. Later, guys. Bye bye.
It's very low impact.